Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add Google reCAPTCHA in your WP Forms. Now from the top bar, go to the WP Forms and select your form or edit them. So this is the edit form. Now there is a field of reCAPTCHA on the fields. So select this field. So there is a message pop up. So this is not reCAPTCHA is not enabled. For enabling the reCAPTCHA, you have to go to the WP form settings and select this reCAPTCHA. So you can see there is a required some things like site key and secret key. So for these keys, you can go to the Google reCAPTCHA from your from Chrome. Now select the first link of Google reCAPTCHA, and this is the interface of Google reCAPTCHA. And now go to the WP admin console. So here you can see there's already 2 or 3 websites are added. You have to add a new website where you want to add reCAPTCHA. So go to the plus sign. So from here you can copy your domain name and paste it here on the label. And select the reCAPTCHA option here. There is a different type of reCAPTCHA, so we have to select reCAPTCHA v2 option. Now again you can paste your domain here. You have to give some name of your project and submit this. So you just have to put the domain name, not the HTTPS, and just submit this again. So here you can see that is your secret key and site key. You can just copy them and paste in WP form settings. So now that's all. Save these settings. Now again go to your WP forms from where you want to add the reCAPTCHA. You can edit those form again. Now again select this reCAPTCHA field. So you can see the message that reCAPTCHA is enabled at the top. So you just save this. Now go to your website and see is it enabled or not. Now go to the form page. So now here you can see that Google reCAPTCHA is added. So it is very important because it helps your website from bots and spams, and it makes sure that only real human can fill out your forms. So that's all for today. If you face any problem regarding WP Forms, Elementor or WordPress website or any themes, you can contact us. Thank you so much.